Hello, Vedangi ma'am. Yes, I'm good. Yes,
Are you okay, ma'am?
yes, feeling
Good
better.
evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good, Rinsija ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hi, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Are
Good.
you okay, ma'am?
Yes, absolutely fine. Recovering, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for your patience and cooperation, everyone. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. How are
And
you?
that was like a last minute decision. I was about to take the classes, okay, yesterday, but that was literally a last minute decision. So we just have informed you for the morning batch people and okay, yeah. So how was your weekend? It's been 2 days we met, right? Yeah. Yes. All good, Archana ma'am? Archana ma'am looks so settled today.
Why, ma'am?
You look so settled, like, yes, I am ready to go and attend all the 2 hours of the session. Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
chalo, let us start the session with a revision of all the sounds that we have learned. And few of you have asked me, ma'am, kindly revise the magic key rule. Okay, so personally pinged me. I don't know who pinged me, but still 2 or 3 messages I saw. Yes, absolutely fine. Let us revise it. Okay. Yes. Let's go with a quick revision of all the sounds. Turn towards the page number 1, where you just have noted down all the 42 sounds. Okay, chalo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go start. Ah, not t, t, like a pitching sound. T, t, e, e, not p, p. Only air has to come. Yes, only air has to come. Close your lips, open your lips, and say, push out the air. Okay, yes. Next. K, k, e, e.
Egg.
Mm.
Grrr.
Yeah. Who had this problem? Archana ma'am, come on, do this sound. Come on.
Mm. Grrr.
No,
Grrr.
no, it's still
Grrr.
vibrating. Mm.
Mm.
Ah,
Mm.
correct, correct,
Mm.
correct. Okay, don't over vibrate. You are getting the difference. What you are doing wrong, you are getting the difference and you are correcting it, but it has to come every time when I ask you again. Okay, yes. Next, rub your tummies and say, Next comes, yeah. Next, g,
G.
g,
G. G.
g, oh,
Ah. Ah. Ah.
uh,
Ah.
uh,
Ah. Ah.
mm,
E.
mm.
E. 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 Ah.
Not far. It needs to be like you hold your lower lip with your front teeth and push out the air. See? That's the sound. See, the old accent or the methodation which you learn from somewhere or like a own learning or heard from somewhere, it will be there in our mindset. That is where you need to remember the actions and the story needs to be related. There, the air was moving out. Correct? From a big fish. Correct? It was a floating fish. So, how do the air goes out? That way, you need to connect and correct yourself with the pronunciations. Like, okay. Next, b,
Ba.
b,
Ba.
b,
Ba.
not ba, b,
Ba. Ba.
b,
Ba. Ba.
b, not ba. See, it's not ba.
Ba.
No ah sounds, please. It's not ba. Okay, it is a bit of like this b,
Ba.
b, b. That's it.
Ba.
B, b,
Ba.
b.
Ba.
Ah sound should not come. B, b,
Ba.
b. Bat.
Bat.
Got it? Yes. Next. A.
A. A.
J.
J. J.
O.
O. O.
I.
I.
E. O. E.
E.
O. You can make one more action. Instead of holding it like this, you can hold it like this. Okay, whichever comfortable you do it. Okay, so this is so cute when kids do this. Okay,
Just like rabbit.
Yes.
Just like rabbit.
Yeah, they looks like a tiny. I really enjoy them when they do this action. You can teach this also. And there was one more sound which we thought, which we learned. What was that?
Or
You.
You.
Correct? You. So these are the sounds that we have seen. How many sounds we have seen already? 4, 6, 24 plus 1, 25 sounds in total we have seen. Correct? So these are the 25 sounds. 1 second. Now, come on, let's quickly go ahead. Am I visible properly? 1 second.
And the color is different, but
The color got so suddenly the color got differ.
yeah, now I think it's again no.
Okay, 1 second. It just turned little bluish. Might be due to the color which I am wearing today. Might be due to because of that. Okay. Okay. Yes. Next. Coming ahead. Still it's bluish, right? Uh, yeah, I just turned into Nagin. Yeah. 1 second. Wait. Just a moment. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So next, so in the last class we have also seen one such a beautiful rule. What was that? The shy eye, toughy eye rule. Right. The shy eye, toughy eye rule has three different cases. Correct. The I feel so shy, so it will be replaced by Y. One such a case is AY, A sound whenever it comes at the end of the word. So it takes which one? AY making a sound. Similarly, oil sound like in oil, oil sound whenever it comes at the end of the word, it takes OY which makes out a oil. And at the end of the single syllabic word or a short word, if you hear a I sound, what do you hear at the end of short words? Short words are the words which has only one vowel sound in it. It can be a short vowel or it can be a long vowel. Okay, if you hear a I sound at the end, you will replace it by
Why?
what? Like in sky, cry, dry, I. Correct. So here, boy, joy, destroy, annoy. Okay, so here comes tray, may, pray, day, clay, like this. Okay, this is the shy eye toughy eye rule. Any doubts in shy eye toughy eye rule? Shall I move forward? Shall I move forward? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, well, let's move forward. Next, coming with the magic E rule. So now here comes the magic E. What does the magic E states? First, let us try to understand that. Magic E always comes and sits at the beginning of a word. Beginning of the word.
End of the word.
At the end of the word. While learning this itself, we know whenever the E comes at the end, okay, the letter E comes at the end, it remains
Silent.
silent. Correct. This I just kept on repeating. Okay, from the day 2 class, where we learned this. Correct? Yes, whenever it comes at the end, let it be the magic E, let it be V with E, S with E, E remains silent. So the magic key also always comes at the end. So it's a common point. Whenever it comes at the end, it remains silent. So now does that comes and sits silently at the end? Before it sits silently at the end, what does it do? It jumps and hops over the another consonant, and there will be one more vowel that side, right? So the vowel actually before the magic key, it makes a sound like a, e, o, a. Now the magic key goes and bums on its head. Oh well, just like a rowdy. Okay, just like a rowdy. See, until now, whichever sound like a, e, o, a, whichever you want, you just made out whatever your desired sound. Now, who is here? Magic E is here. You cannot make your desired sound. You have to make only the letter name sound. Letter name sounds are A, E, I, O, U sounds. So do you think so I will go away from here? No, I will sit at the corner and I keep on watching you out. You have to make that sound. Okay, you have to make that sound. I'll silently sit and I will be keep on watching. Okay, so you have to make that sound. Yes, Archana ma'am?
No.
Okay, so yes, now all the vowels are just watching out. The magic is watching them and started to make the letter name sounds like A, E, I, O, U now. So now, without a magic key, will they do that sound? No, only because Magic Key is there. They're just scared of Magic Key and started to make their letter name sounds. Clear? Just like now. Look at that hat. So when the magic key comes, it jumps over it and bumps its head. Now it started to make a sound like A. This is silent. This is silent. A dash E. So let it be any consonant in the middle. Okay, so now we have seen grape. Right, so which consonant is there in the middle? P. So here, eight, hate. Okay, so now let me take something like
Plate is okay.
cake, cake. Okay,
Plate,
1 minute. Yes, please.
plate, plate.
Plate. Yes. Plate. See, it can be any consonant. T, P, K. Any sound. It can be any consonant sound. Okay, so you start to figure it out. So, which exercise will help the children? I asked you to prepare something, and few of you have posted in the groups. I just have watched it out. Okay, the bone one, kites one, I just have figured it out, and few people have prepared one more, like home or something. Home or
Home. I draw home.
Yes, okay, like this. Okay, so multiple ideas. Now, the kids, when they are holding that particular stick or something, they will understand whatever I'm holding is a combination. These two together will make a sound. These two together will make a E, I, O, U sounds, and they will place it accordingly. Okay, clear? Clear? Okay. So, any doubts over here, please ask me. See now, these two are doing the teamwork, right? Okay, when there are two letters together, they are doing a teamwork and making one sound, okay, trying to make one sound. These are actually the definition of a digraph. Two letters together make one sound is a definition of a digraph. But here what happens, if it was like this, we could have agreed, yes, this is a sound. But here what happens, something which comes in the middle is a consonant where we cannot digest it as a digraph. Correct? So that's the reason we don't directly call it as a digraph. We call it as a split digraphs. Split means separated but still making one sound only. Okay, this is where it got a name, split digraph also. Clear? Clear? Yes. Now, next. I'll quickly take you to the advanced level. Okay, yeah. I'm already into advanced level, but I haven't mentioned you anywhere. See, when it comes to the short vowels like a, e, o, in the stage of phonics, even till advanced level, we don't give any alternative spellings to the kids. Okay, but the long vowels. Which are the long vowels? Tell me. A, E, I,
O
O,
U.
U. Right. A, E, I, O, U. These has many alternative spellings. Different spelling with still kindly mute yourself. No? Kindly mute. Very important topic. Everyone concentrate. Everyone concentrate. Very, very important topic. Okay? Yes. So everything has its own alternative different set of spellings, but sound remains same. Can I write this as its alternative spelling, same sound but different spelling pattern? A, magic wala. Correct. A sound. What does the sound makes? What does this makes a sound like? A
A.
sound. Correct. Similarly, E. This
E.
makes I.
I.
This makes
O.
O. This makes
U.
U. One more set of alternative spellings for A, E, I, O, U. Sounds the same, correct? If I ask you this, you will say A. If I ask you this, you will say A. Correct? Same sound, different spellings. That's it. Okay? Now, another different spelling is AY, which makes the A sound. Correct. This also you have seen like in clay, play, may, day. If I write this, what will you say the sound as? A, ma'am. When will you use it? Whenever it comes at the end of the word. Correct. Next, one more. Let us see right now. Okay, let us see right now. There is a one more, which is EA can also make out a E sound. Okay, so here comes which rule? The two vowel rule. Okay, EA can make out the E sound. When two vowels goes for a walking, the first one does the talking and says its letter name. Sarah ma'am, what is the letter name?
E.
E. Correct. Sarah ma'am, can you give me one example where EA is seen in the word?
Shia. SHEA, ma'am. Shia butter.
That is Shia. Correct.
Yeah.
That is Shia. Ah, sound is also coming over there.
C. C. Yes.
C.
C.
Yes.
Eat.
E.
Eat.
S.
Eat.
E. How many? Yes, two sounds. Eat. 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 Leaf.
Meal.
L, E, F. How many sounds? L, E, F.
Meal.
Meal. See? Meal. Seal.
Heat.
Animal. Seal. Then
Heat.
meat. Meat. Correct.
Meat. Meat.
Meat. Then
Meat.
eagle. Eagle. Eat. Next.
Heat, ma'am. Heat. HEAT. Heat.
Heat. Yes. Heat. Seat.
Sheep.
Seat. Then, yeah, seal is
Goat. Goat. Sheep. Goat, ma'am. GOAT. Goat.
goat.
Oh, okay, okay. No,
E
no, 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 no,
makes
no, no.
E sound. Fix to that. Yeah. Teacher. Teacher. Read. Peas. Beans. See, everyday common words are here. Correct, where EA makes out a E sound. Okay, this is one more alternative spelling of a E sound. Okay, yes. I'll give you a clear notes of this. No need to write down right now, but try to understand. Even this table also beautifully, I will make you to draw on some hand or something. Vedanki ma'am, please tell me.
So, ma'am, if like when do we use double E and when to use EA? Is there a rule for that also?
No, there is no real rule for that. How to teach and how to differentiate, I have a game template.
Okay.
Okay, so that will be the next. Okay, that will be the next. Okay, next comes IGH, which makes a I sound. I explained you this as a trigraph. Do you remember?
Yes.
Okay. Do you remember this? Yes. IGH, which makes out a
Five.
I sound, which comes under
Five.
like in light, might,
Side.
fight. Many examples we
Mind.
have.
Eight.
Light, might, fight,
Nine.
sight.
Eight.
Night.
Eight. Night. Night.
A is different. EIGH, that makes a 8. Can you hear I sound over there?
Eight.
Eight. No.
Mm.
Eight. Eight. These are the two sounds which you can. That comes under this EIGH, which is a quadragraph, which I have shown you. Okay, there exists a quadragraphs. EIGH makes out a sound like in 8, like in wait. Okay, like in neighbor. Okay, that's a different, but this is still not there even in the advanced level. You can just take a note, but for kids, it's not there. Okay, because very, very few sounds are there. That's a different story. Sight, might, fight.
Night. Night.
Yeah, night. This night
Kite.
also comes.
Height.
Kite.
Height. Height.
Height. No, the spelling is different.
Night. Night.
Which makes out some other sound. That's a different story.
Height.
What?
Right.
Height.
Right, left and right.
Fright.
Height.
Right.
Height. Height.
That is, ma'am, what is the height spelling? Height, height. EIGH, 4 together making a I sound. That's a different story I mentioned. Okay. Okay, height. That
Height.
take as an example over here right now. Okay, keep it aside because it's not making as per the sounds. Huh. Next, might, flight,
Sight.
flight, bright. So one
Height.
similar thing which you can identify in these all the possible spellings which we regularly see is after the I sound, there is a T sound only in every example. Correct? After the I sound, what is the next sound? T sound. I sound, T sound. I T, 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 I T. Everywhere I T. So the common pattern rather than a rule, this is a pattern which we can observe over here is after a I sound. Okay, there comes a T sound. Which I do you use? IGH as a
IGH.
and before that there must be some consonant. There must be some consonant. So there must be some consonant. Let it be anything. Here, look at this. L is the consonant. It, light. Let me take bright. See, look at that. Before that, there is some consonant sound. Yes, there is some consonant sound. And ending with T sound only. Here it can be any consonant, but here it needs to be T only. Directly and T sound only. Got it? This is a pattern where you can observe. Okay, got it? Now, if somebody says night to me, okay, how will I write? I sound, okay, T sound, okay. So now there is a consonant I can find, the T sound. So which I sound to take? IGH as I sound to take. Like this, we will decide and we will write. Okay, now might, okay, or flight, let me take. Which I sound, I don't know. Which one to decide and write? Leave it blank. Dashed. Okay, there is a consonant, any consonant. There is a I sound and ending with T sound. Which one to write? IGH as I to write, not IE as I. Ma'am, then every word will go. World has its own exceptions in every case, everywhere, not only English, not only in the human behavior or anything you take on this planet, there are the exceptions everywhere. How can I make the rule 100%? Correct? So there will be the exceptions. Don't bring that exception only and show me, man, this is not following the rule. Okay, fine, you learnt it. Okay, what is that then? Ma'am, why is it not applying? It is not applying because it is an exception. Okay, it is an exception. At least if you take any of the perfect rule, there it will be valid only to the 95%. Out of 100 words, 95 words will go with the pattern. 5 will be the exceptions for sure. 5 words you need to consider and teach as a tricky words for the kids. That's it. Got it? Got it? Okay. What are tricky words? Tricky words are the words which will not follow the phonic sounds, which will not follow the phonic rules also. So such kind of a words will be the tricky words. So when you come across such kind of a words, consider this is actually not following some pattern or a rule. 100% this is a tricky word. Got it? Got it? Yes. Next. Next, which is the one more why we have seen I making it is why. Shy Tuffy by rule. Sky. See? Y can also make a I sound like in sky, cry. Correct? We have already seen this. Do you need explanation? Shy Tuffy by rule. Sky, cry. Which sound are you hearing? Why making I at the end of the short words. Okay, that is a one more. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 fixed for the I sound. 1, 2, 3. These are the only 3 for the A sound for the kids. For the kids. Kids. Even until advanced level. Even until advanced level. Are these the limitation? You have 8 plus different alternative spellings in English. You don't bother about it right now. Okay, don't bother about it right now. Okay, so 3 here, 4 here, and next. Listen, mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself, everyone. What's can I have your mute? Now, O sound. Whenever the O sound comes at the end of the word. O sound at the end of the word. Which O to use? OW as O to use. Okay, whenever the O sound, just like this. Okay, whenever the A sound comes at the end, AY you are using right now. Whenever the O sound comes at the end, OW as a O sound. Like in low, L, O. Will you write it like this? No, O is the last sound. So which one to use? OW as O to use. Shadow. O. This O. No, O is the last sound. Correct? So you will replace it by OW making a O sound. Grow. Grow. Slow. Snow. Snow. Yellow. Window. Crow. Like this. Okay, the O comes at the end. Again, don't bring that exceptional words and tell me. Okay, how many? 95% of the cases, 5 out of 100 words, 5 there will be the exceptions. Clear? Clear? So that's a O. How many? 1, 2, 3. Magicy one is common. You already know the long vowels, which are the basic 42 sounds. Correct? These are the basic 42 sounds. Under that, the split diagraphs are the one more set. Under this, AY whenever it comes at the end. OW whenever it comes at the end. Correct? So, like this, you can remember. There is a trigraph and whenever it comes at the end, but it needs to be a short word. So, Y. Okay, like this, you just remember. Similarly, so these are the things. Now look into it and tell me whether you have some. There are two more left. I will teach you. Two more alternative spellings left under here and here. I will teach you. Just look into it and tell me. Is it clear? Basic sounds are clear. 5 basic sounds are clear. Magic key rule clear. Magic key rule clear. When to use AY making a A sound clear? Yes, clear. Two vowel rule. How to read it? E. Correct? Clear? Clear. So IGH which makes the I sound whenever the T comes at the end of the word and there must be some consonant before that I sound. Clear? Thumbs up clear. If it's clear. Okay, clear. Why? Shy I Tuffy Y rule. Sky. I at the end of short words, we replace it by Y. Clear? Clear. Whenever O sound comes at the end of the word, OW makes a O sound like in shadow, yellow, window, crow. Correct? Clear? Clear. Got it? So if you understand practically how it is actually working, it will be more clear for you. Okay, more clear for you. But you understood, right? These are the things you understood. Rest only two are there. One is EW which makes a U sound. Whenever U sound comes at the end of the word, only 50% of the cases it will be EW which makes a U sound. 50% it will be UE, 50% it will be EW. Can I call it as pattern or rule? Right. So it exists, that's it. Okay, but EW comes always at the end of the word only. Okay, at the end of the word only. Okay, how to teach for the kids? Let us see later. First, let us understand what is happening. Okay, see, EW comes at the end of the word like in new, new, few, crew. Next, crew. Like this. Okay, EW comes at the end of the word. You just remember. Very few are there. Okay, very few words are there. You can just go through that patterns. So for now, you understand EW can also make a U sound and always it comes at the end of the word. Okay. And now I will take you to the concept of syllables actually. I'll come back to this. I'll give you a greater clarity and a revision on this after learning that syllables. Okay. Syllables. These are very important to read the word properly, still keeping the meaning in that word. Okay, for example, to make out the right pronunciation, let me take my own name to ruin it off. Kirti. Okay, now let me break it here. What did I do? It needs to be the E sound. Now I have split it. When I split it, it is K, E, T, K, T. See, wherever I want, I cannot split it, correct? It is changing the pronunciation, the phonic system itself. Now, let me split it here. K-E-R-T. Kiruthi. Correct? This is how it is getting split. Read it. Now this is no more T. It is T and this is Kirt. He. Kirt. He. Kirt. He. Something like this. Correct? So wherever I want, I cannot just split out the words because pronunciation itself is going to change. Still, when we split it, even though I need to preserve the pronunciation of the word, what should I do? I should learn where exactly to break the word. Ma'am, how will I come to know? Syllables, there is a concept which help you to know where to break the word exactly and how to read it. Correct? Okay. So now, before going in depth of the syllables, I will teach you some other day. The easiest way, firstly, that you have to introduce the syllables for the kids is every syllable. Okay, every syllable. If I want to call something as a syllable, means part of a word or a complete word itself. Okay, complete word itself, if it has any one vowel sound in it. Okay, so one vowel sound, one syllable. That's it. For example, cat, rain. Cat. How many vowel sounds are there? One vowel. So how many syllabic words are there? How many, I need to split this word into how many things? Only one. Okay, it's just in one go. Cat. That's it. Cat. It's a division of sounds, not the word. Correct? Cat. Because I need to read it in one go, it has only one vowel sound in it. Okay? Rain. Rain. How many vowel sounds are there? One vowel sounds. And usually we teach the kids the chin down method. Cat. How many times do my chin touch my hand? Cat. One time. So one syllabic word. Look at that. Rabbit. How many times? Rabbit. Two times. So how many syllabic word is that? Two syllabic. Two vowels are there. Rain. One time, please touch it. You experience it. Rain. Sheep. Sheep. One time. So these are one syllabic words. Okay. The number of vowel counts, na, it will just come and touch the below hand. Okay. So that is how for the kids to initially show that how many syllables are there. It will be a fun way for them. Okay. So these are single syllabic words. How do we say that? Because one vowel sound in it. Now, rabbit. How many vowels are there? Two vowels are there. So how many syllabic word is that? Two syllabic word. Okay, two vowels. Na? And E. Two vowels are there. Two syllabic word. Crocodile. I, magic key. O sound it is making. This is also making a O sound. How many vowel sounds? 1, 2, 3. Correct? Magic key is a single one syllable. So I usually split it like this. How do you split, ma'am? How are you splitting? There are set of rules. We will see. Okay, but how many? Crocodile. How many syllables? 3 syllables in it. Shall we check in that way? Okay. Potato. Potato. How many syllabic word? Show me the fingers. 3. Banana. 3. Okay. Lesson. Properly check. Lesson. 2. Don't hold it like this. Okay. Lesson. 2. Correct? Next. Check that. Sweet. Sweet. One syllabic word. Correct? Construct. Properly, Deepa ma'am. Hold it near and check.
Two, ma'am.
Construct. Yeah. So, two syllabic. Correct? See, we might think construct is a big word. Correct? It might be at least having 3 or 4. No. How many syllables are there? 2 syllables. If I write, see, 2 syllables mentioned like this, I will write that construct word on the board. How many vowel sounds? Here and here. See, only two vowel sounds are there. Correct? So, two syllabic word like this. To say something as a syllable, there must be one vowel sound in it. Okay, based on the number of vowel sounds, we split the word into that many syllables. And it will be easy for us to read the word after splitting it out. Correct, big words will be there. Misunderstanding. Misunderstanding, what can you hear? Is there any pronunciation? Misunderstanding? No. Misunderstanding. Properly, if I split, it will be easy for us to read, easy for us to understand what exactly that person is pronouncing. Correct? So this is why syllables are very important. And there is a separate module which I have designed, most probably last but one class I will be teaching, or the last class will be the syllables, where we will be learning many types of syllables and the rules in the syllables. Okay, very important. Very important. Okay, so when do we teach? From the second grade, we can teach the syllables for the kids. Hence, we are covering basic to the advanced level in the phonics. Okay, we will be even getting the 5th standard kids also here, right? Correct, 5th standard kids, even 6th standard kids also you might get in the future. Okay, 6th, 7th, 8th standard kids also who are unable to read, they literally have to start from the phonics. Phonics is the beginner level of the reading nowadays. So what will you do? Can you say, ma'am, I am a phonics teacher. I don't know anything about the grammar or syllables? No. Okay, that is why where I have included keeping the kids that you will receive in the future. Okay, it's not like LKG to first standard. Okay, even we will be getting actually, the kids will come right from first standard only. Okay, yes. Clear with the syllables? Little knowledge, at least little bit you came to know. Okay, one vowel, then one syllable. If two vowels, two syllables. Understood? Yeah. It can be any vowel, na? It can be a, e, o, or a, e, I, o, u. Okay? Yes. Coming back to the alternative spellings now. Okay? So, E, like in happy, happy. How many syllabic word? Two syllabic word. Bunny, bunny. Two syllabic word. Froggy, froggy. E, whenever I say, see here, E, the chin comes and hits the hand. Correct? Next, pony, baby. You are hearing the E sound, and everywhere this is going to be the two syllabic word only. At the end of the two syllabic word, if you hear a E sound, it needs to be particularly two syllables or more than two syllables. Minimum two syllables or three syllabic word also sometimes in rare cases you will find. Most of the examples for the kids are like happy, bunny, pony, baby, chubby. Okay, so something like this. Froggy, sunny day, windy day, like this. Okay, so like this, in these kind of examples, whenever you hear the E sound at the end of the word, and it needs to be two syllabic or more than two syllables. Okay, so most of the cases two syllabic word. Then which E will you use? Y as E you have to use. See, look at that. Y as E. Now you should be very sharp at listening to the sounds and identifying the number of syllables. Because everyone, high attention please. I sound, E sound. Single syllabic word. Sky, one syllable. My, one syllable. Shy, how many vowel sounds are you hearing? One. At the end of single syllabic word, if you hear the I sound, then you replace it with Y. At the end of two-syllabic word, if you hear E sound, write Y making a E sound. Got it? Clear with the difference? Like in happy, bunny. How to double this? There is rule. Don't ask me right now. Okay, how you have doubled. But E concept you concentrate right now. Don't concentrate on the doubled letters. Okay, happy, bunny. Next, crazy, pony, baby. There is already a vowel and there is a E sound at the end. Already a vowel O sound you are getting and the E is the second vowel. You just hold the hand and check. Okay, hold the hand and check. There must be already a one vowel sound. It can be any vowel, but the last vowel needs to be E only and you will replace it with Y. Okay, got it? Okay, so I'll just simply define this rule. Okay, at the end of a single syllabic word, if you hear I sound, write it with Y. Single syllabic words are also known as short words. Okay, at the end of multi-syllabic words, multi means two or more. Correct? At the end of multi-syllabic words, if you hear E sound, then write it as Y making a E sound. Clear? Will you write it down? Write it down. Write it down. I'll make you people to revise once again. At the end of single syllabic words, at the end of single syllabic words, if you hear I sound like this, if you hear I sound, write Y as I. Example, sky, cry, fly, shy, my, like this. Example, this. Next, second one. At the end of second one. At the end of multi-syllabic words, at the end of multi-syllabic words, in the bracket, two or more. Two or more vowels you write. Okay, two or more vowels. At the end of multi-syllabic words, two or more in the bracket. If you hear E sound, write Y as E sound. Example, happy, happy, bunny, pony, froggy, sunny, chubby, baby, like this. If then take one A4 size sheet, any multicolor, but light colors. Any one A4 size sheet. Colorful A4 size sheet and sketch pens, you take it. Come on.
Now, ma'am.
Yes, now.
Ma'am, I asked you how many sheets?
One A4 size sheet, ma'am. Any colorful A4 size sheet, you just pick it quickly.
Color, dark color, ma'am.
Ma'am, light color,
Okay.
like pink,
Yellow.
because you need to
Okay.
write something on it. Yeah, yellow is
Ma'am,
you need to write something on it. Don't take dark purple, dark blue, and all. Okay, so make sure the letters are visible for you. That's it. That's the
this
concept.
yellow, ma'am.
Yes, yes, that's absolutely fine. Who do not have, at least take the white A4 size sheet or take a chart paper. That's absolutely fine. Okay, that is absolutely fine. I'll just push this out. White. Now, as big as your A4 size sheet, you need to draw this. Suppose, because you have multiple things to write. Okay, so if this is your A4 size sheet, okay, you need to write as big as possible, like whatever the drawing that I'm going to do. See, look at this. I'm just showing you. Like this. See, I have utilized right from the top to the bottom. This side to this side. Okay, completely. Make sure the thumb finger is towards the left side. Make sure the thumb is towards the left side. Hopefully you can see full board, right? Yes. Neatly you just draw. Firstly, you just draw using the pencil. Then you can use the sketch pen. You have to cut the outline of this later. After the class, na? Using the scissors, you have to cut the outline of this hand.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it okay?
Little more bigger. If not, you need to write the things small. See how big is this?
Ma'am, this is okay.
Yes, Durga Devi ma'am. Okay. Because I'm going to write all the long vowels over here. Long vowel hand. We will call it as a long vowel hand. And here comes the first comes A, E, I, O, U. What are these? Either you can apply the two vowel rule or simply the digraphs concept. Correct? What are these? These are the basic digraphs, and also you can apply the two vowel rule. Digraph, two vowel rule. Two vowel. I'll just write it like this. Digraph, two vowel. What I have written? Digraph, two vowel. Everywhere you have to write the same. Digraph, two vowel. Digraph, two vowel.
Ma'am, it's okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Come on. Adjust the space because still many more things are there to write. Na? Two vowel. At least a shortcuts of that which you can understand. It's a digraph, two vowel. So this will help. This will be there with every child. When they learn the concept, na, so they keep on increasing whichever the sounds that they are learning. Next, A dash E. Write in the same order. Don't shuffle the order. There is a purpose why I am writing it in the same order. What are these? Anyone? I dash E, O dash E. Magic E rule or split diagrams, whichever you want, you can just represent it. Magic E. Magic E. OW at the end of the word. At the end. EW at the end. Next, IGH goes with the pattern. There can be any consonant and the T sound. Y shy I rule. Shy I. EA two vowel rule. Y multi-syllabic rule. Multi-syllabic rule. AY at the end. I'll click the photo of it and I will share you. Understand and write. If you're not getting, just don't simply copy it down from the board. Okay, understand and write.
एक तो साउंड अगर बीच में आ रहा है
Yes, Kiran.
मैम
Yes.
वर्ड मैजिक इज आल्सो एक्सेप्शन ना
Magic key is an exception. Magic key is a rule.
मैजिक जैसे देयर इज आल्सो अ साउंड ए एंड आई in between the consonant G. So
Okay.
it's an exception.
No, it's not at all an exception. Why?
just asking, is that or so?
See, J ik magic. Okay.
Okay.
So now here the thing is once again, I'll write
It
it.
is,
Sounds are correct.
yeah.
Correct. So it needs to be J ik. Correct.
Yeah.
The sound. But here comes the G sound because it is with I. This is not exception. There is a rule known as a gentle Sindhi rule.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah. Done. So homework task. So once you hold it back, you can draw one more hand, right? So the traces of these sketch pen marks are visible at the back side here. Correct? See, back side you can find the tracing of these marks. So what will you do? If the A is visible this side, see, can you find? Here only it is visible, see? When I draw it on here, the A is visible. So what will I do? On that visible part, I'll just mark it out and I will write one example like pain. I'll show you. Wait. Next comes the cake. Next comes clay. See, here you have A dash E, A Y, na? So back you write the example wherever it is visible. Pain, cake, magic keyword, clay, AY making a sound. One example words each. Okay, as a homework you need to do and you need to share it to me. That word example only. Write it first in the pencil and share it to me. Okay? Later on, let it be in the pencil only, not an issue. Okay, let it be in the pencil. So once you hold this hand, the complete alternative set of spellings will be there handy for you. Okay, what? How? Okay, let me see the example. Okay, I understood. Okay, the complete things will be handy. Okay, clear? Yeah. Which level? These are the things which are just arranged right from the intermediate level to the advanced level. Okay, so we just have spreaded it out from the intermediate level to the advanced level. Okay, yes. Deepa ma'am? Yes. You can make the kids to paste it in your phonics book at the very beginning or at the end. Whenever they come across, they can look into it and identify which rule does that really goes ahead with any word. Okay, they will start learning out the subject properly by understanding these concepts, where it actually goes ahead with. Okay, yes. So I'll just stop this concept here. Okay, so the long vowel hand, and these are the alternative spellings, and like we need to say, these are like a core basics, the heart of phonics. Okay, the heart of phonics. What is that? The long vowel hands. Okay, so if you know this concept, if you have a good grip on all these concepts, whatever written on the board, then if the second step, now you as a teacher, you understood this concept, but how to teach this for the kids? Techniques needs to be there, right? That in tomorrow's class, I will teach you. Okay, but as a teacher, you understood, you consumed it. Correct? So, how to teach? Let us see in tomorrow's class. Come on, let's take a quick 5 minutes break and come back. I will move to the fifth group of sounds later on to the when, what, how much to cost every module. Let us discuss. Okay, after finishing the fifth group of sounds. Chalo. Yes, Rinsija ma'am. Yes. You can cut the outline. Cut the outline, everyone. Cut the outline and keep it. Final submission, this is also included. Yes, Sarah ma'am. Okay, cut the outline. Yes, Shilpa ma'am.
Ma'am, we need to cut as like a fingers on.
Outline, yes, ma'am. It needs to be like hand only, not the extra papers. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, come back, everyone. How quickly to remember, okay, the way of to remember this long vowel hand. See, the first thing, you just follow the step. The first five needs to be the digraphs, A, E, I, O, U. The next five needs to be the magic key combinations. Okay, the next one, whichever comes at the end, how we write it. See, the first, I'll show this and I'll do the next. Okay, the first A, E, I, O, U. So the five are done. Next, the alternative spellings of all these, the digraphs, complete set you will get. A, E, I, O, U. So whenever it comes at the end, it's A, Y. Whenever it comes at the end of a multisyllabic word, it's Y. So whenever it comes at the end, again Y. So Y and Y, O, W, E, W. So which are the leftover one? IGH, which is a digraph, EA. See, like this you just remember. It will be easy for you to remember in this way. YY repeats over here. What repeats? Here comes the three combinations. In total, how many? 17? In total, how many
Seven.
alternative spellings are there? 17
17.
total. Okay, 17 in total. Tomorrow, let us continue with that topic again. Yeah. So what can you see here? The little Zoya who is wearing a zipper dress and a zigzag skirt. Where is she? She's playing in the garden. And the garden is completely filled with which flowers? These are daisies. Sorry, not daisies. Zinnia flowers. Right? Which flowers are this? Zinnia flowers.
Zinnia.
And she started to set up her zoo, the miniature zoo in the garden. And she noticed there comes a group of bees. These bees are moving from one flower to the another flower, collecting what? Collecting honey. Do they collect honey from the flowers?
Yes.
English teachers, do they collect the honey from the flowers?
Yes.
Yes.
When it is mixed with the saliva and everything, that will convert into a honey.
Like
Okay.
nectar.
Nectar. Correct. The flowers will be having a juicy, sweet thing known as a nectar. So they collect the nectar from the flowers. And she observes one thing. When they are collecting the nectar from the flowers, sucking it out, they are not making any kind of a buzzing sound like zzz. But when they are moving from one flower to the another flower, they're making their buzzing sound. Okay, they are making their buzzing sound. Okay, how do the bee buzz? There is a fact. What is a fact? From where do we hear the bee buzzing sound? From its mouth? No, yes, Archana ma'am, from its wings. So there is a fact that it just like, I don't know exact number, but I heard somewhere that within a second, it flaps its wings almost like 210 times within a second. Such a huge vibration that it is going to create, and that generates that buzzing sound. Zzz, zzz. Busy like a bee, we say, right? Zzz, that's the bee buzzing sound, not from the mouth, but from the wings, making a buzzing sound like zzz, zzz. This is the action. Okay, this is the action. Zzz, zzz. The little Zoya also pretends like a bee and buzz like a bee, making a buzzing sound like zzz, zzz. Okay. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz like this? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Okay, that's the zzz sound. Zzz, like it. Zzz, zzz, like it. Zip. Zzz, like it. Zebra. Zzz, like it. crazy, lazy, lizard, zigzag. Next, z like in
Zip.
zip,
Oh, zip is-
zero, zero. Then lizard, fizz, buzz, jazz, jazz, freeze, freeze, maze,
Frozen.
frozen, dozen. Okay, like this zzz sound. Clear? What is that? Zzz sound, buzzing sound. Clear with it? Zzz. Next comes the w sound. I would like to play this w sound. I will explain and I will show you. Okay, later on I will show that video also. Okay. It's a very fun, full story. You can see it's a windy day, right? It's a this is how the wind blows, right? Right, it's a windy day, and the wind lord and sun lord, they just have kept a competition. Like, let us see who is the strongest. Now you can see a man who is wearing his coat and walking innocently. They just bet on this man. So now the one who first makes this man to remove or unbutton his coat, they are the strongest. Firstly, the wind lord starts to blow. Okay, it just turned out, the surroundings turned out into such a huge windy day. The trees started to bend, the kids comes out and starts to play the kites, the clouds started to move fastly, and the man who is just carrying out the umbrella is flying away. And tell me one thing, if it is a windy, do we unbutton our coat? No, so if it is a windy, it even causes some cold. Correct. So the wind got faint. Then the sun started to brightly shine, 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 and he feels so hot, and he unbuttons the coat and removes the coat. Who won? Who is the strongest? Sun is the strongest. And the wind, when it was blowing very hard, look at this. Hold up your hands in this way. And the wind lord was bringing the wind right from his stomach and pushing out the air like this. How exactly to make this sound? This is already a combination of one vibration associated with sound. Okay, so this is not alone one sound. This is a combination of these two sounds. To make this particular sound, initially catch your lower lip with your front teeth. Okay, the back side of the lower lip. The back side of the lower lip with your front teeth and vibrate. No, just vibrate. What I'm saying, step by step, you follow. Catch your lower lip, the back side of the lower lip with your front teeth. Say. Now, you need to make a sound along with us now. Slowly you do. Later on, I will teach you that. Now, this vibration span you reduce. Don't drag it. Wah, 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 wah. I, water, water, White, wave, et, wet, well, whisper. And that is why, remember this silent rule. Whenever the W and H are together, H remains silent. Why? Because this W only playing both the roles. It is only releasing that sound at the end. Okay, wah. So now if I want to make it wah-ite. No, it's not a wah-ite, right? It's only the one time. Wah. And H remains silent. And here comes the magic key. It. White. Right. This is how you will read it. Wah. Et. Wet. Wah. Ipe. Wipe. See, again comes the magic key. Wah. Ipe. Wipe. Wah. Ave. Again comes the magic key. Wah. Ave. Wave. Correct? Wah. Ave. Wave. Wah. Ought, not at. Oh, making it's a tricky word. It is making a o sound. Water. Was. Whenever W and A together, A will never make a sound. Okay? It will make a o sound. O sound. Like in ought, water, was, watermelon, swan. See? Swan, the first day spelling. Correct? Whenever W and A together, A will never make a sound. It will make a o sound. 95% cases. Okay? O sound. One more spelling rule. Like this. Next, come on. Wet, white.
Sir.
Nicely figured out. Wipes. Condition of that wipes. Wet wipes. Then white, water. One second, the power will come back. It's heavily wrapped by Bangalore. One second.
Ma'am, weather.
Weather. Windy weather. Windy weather. Try to pair up like that. Next. Well. Wide well. Wide well. Then window.
Ma'am, well. Ma'am, well.
Well.
Well. Well.
W-L.
Well. W-H-A-L. Well.
W-E.
Ma'am, W-H-A-L.
She's saying
W-H-A-L.
whale.
Whale. Whale. Correct? Whale. Ma'am, whale you need to say. No, magic one. Whale. Correct.
Well.
Wheel.
Wheel.
So these are head silent words. See? Wheel, whisper, whisker,
Wax.
wax. Yes, wax. Wind, we forgot. Yeah, wind. Next, window, in, wind. Then winter,
W-A-Y, way.
way, why,
What? What can
all WH questions, right? What, where, when.
Wall.
W-O-D, wood.
Wood. Yes, wood. Wood. Okay, like this. Okay, that's the
But wool, will it be wool?
wolf.
Wool.
Yes, wolf. Yes, ma'am. It also comes.
Wool, ma'am.
Yes,
Wool.
yes. Okay. Like
Woolen. Woolen sweater.
wool. Yes, wool also comes. Okay, wool. Now, the main part of this is literally the song. It's really very nice. And this is the action. This is the action. I see the clouds moving. I see the kites flying. Wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending. Wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong. The wind is blowing strong. I sang slowly. This actually goes like this. I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying. Wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending. Wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong. Nice song, right? First, clouds moving. Next, kites flying. Next, trees bending. Ready? I see the clouds moving, kites flying, trees bending. Okay? Because the wind is blowing strong. Yes. What is the action? Wah, wah, wah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go, start. I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying. Wah, wah, wah. I see the trees. Wah, wah. The wind is blowing strong. The wind is blowing strong. A nice song, right? The kids will also enjoy this. What's the action of this? Wah, wah, wah. Next, strong. Say everyone, strong. Is the nose vibrating? We have any Hindi teacher here? Nasikakshar. K, k, g, g, nya. Ch, ch, ja, ja, nya. Na. Right, it comes from the nose. I remember, come on, I'm not a Hindi speaking one. I still remember the Nasikakshar. Come on, something which comes from the nose, right? The letter will be like a swallowed. Jnana, say jnana. How is jna coming out? From the nose, correct? From the nose. So this particular N and G, the next and the first consonant and consonant digraph that we are seeing is something which comes from the nose, which is swallowed. The letter N is swallowed here. The sound, whichever we vibrate, na, we never touch our tongue and vibrate at all. It is swallowed and it comes somewhere here.
Strong.
Is my tongue resting? See? And I'm bringing the vibration to my nose and saying g. Like in hing. Right? Hing. Like in bring. Like in long. Say Now can I picked out that and g sound? No, these are very nicely blended. I cannot divide these two sounds, right? Because one is swallowed and blended with g sounds together. Okay, that is why this is a digraph. Okay. So all ing words will go with this. Okay. Walking, all the ing words. So now what to make sure is kids often think that this will go with e and only, and together they will learn as ing. Okay, they often, because 99% of the examples are with ing only. E, and the kids will learn this as ing. Is it ing? Ing? No. It's just ing. Right? It's not ing. It's right? So that's the reason you try to give some examples apart from the e blend. Okay? E blend. Like in
Wrong.
long. Yes.
Wrong.
Ong.
King.
So
King.
here, whenever W and R are together, W remains constants. So it is wrong. Wah. Okay, wing, I will take it later. Lung. Lung.
King.
Song.
Lang.
Hmm?
Tongue, ma'am. Tongue.
Yes.
King.
Tongue.
King.
Tongue.
Wing. Wing. See, if I go with ing words, I will find many. Let us stick to the other vowel only. And whenever it comes with a th, na, it will never make a vibration. Length, you say. Okay, length, you will say.
Lang.
Yes, whenever it comes with a which comes in the sixth group, this sound, don't say length. Correct? It's not length. G also will be swallowed over there. G will be also swallowed over there. Length. Strength. Right? Strength. Length. Like this. Whenever it is with a th sound. Remember that rule. Like this. Okay? Lung, song, sung. Next.
King.
King. H-I-N-G, ma'am. King.
Hing.
Sing.
Dong. Dung. Dung. Bring. Finger somewhere in the middle.
Spring. Spring.
Spring. Yeah. Like this. Sounds. Let us look at the story of this one. Understood the sound, right? From the nose. Tongue needs to be rested. Okay, don't make it. No. It has to come from the nose. Okay, somewhere you can feel the pressure here, somewhere inside. Okay, yes. Here you can see it's a school holiday, and these two little kids are left inside, and they are watching a television, that too a weightlifting competition. And now these little kids are pretending like a weightlifters. So they just go and bring one with a broom, another one with a mop, and you can see the little one who just have taken the heavy rods as a hangers too. Hang, right? Hangers too. And they are pretending like they're lifting heavy weights and making a action by grunting their faces. If you are lifting some 100 kgs or 150 kgs, how will you make up your face? Will you lift it like this? No, you will grunt your face like this, right? That's the grunt one. Come on, lift. Pretend like you're lifting some heavy rod. Grunt your face and say, mm, mm, This is the action. Okay? If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say Okay, yes, that's a song. If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say This is the sound. Okay, like in these many examples we just have discussed. Now you can see S, T, U, V, W. V and W are side to side. Man, why they have shuffled that order also? Why they just have got this particular one more lesson in between this and this? Because these are almost the same sounds. Almost the same sounds. The kids will feel difficult when they are side to side. So they just have, see, look at their keen observation. Correct? So almost the same sound to bring the difference and give that learning space for the kids. They just have bought this one more letter sound over there. So now how exactly to make this sound? Do you know how to make this sound? Then do only half of it. Just don't release. Just make, catch your lower lip, make. That's the sound. That's the sound. Catch the front lip, lower lip with your front teeth and vibrate without leaving sound. If you leave the that's the W. If you just continue vibrating, that's the sound, the letter V sound. Come on, practice. Got the difference? Now, look at the examples. Van, van, eyes, eyes, vegetable, agitable, vegetable, okay, island, violin. Next, like in 5. See, look at this. How will you make the sound of it? So this is magic E. I. This is the last sound. The consonant come at the end always. Correct? I. 5. Next. 7. 7. Next. A. See, look at this. This is beautiful example. It has both in it. A. Just fold your lips. After that, just close it up. That's it. Stop. You have to just close your lips. That's it. Okay. A. Okay. Drive. See, look at this. Many magic keywords. Once we learned the magic key, we are able to figure out many magic keywords. Correct. Drive. Drive. And valley. Okay. Valley, van. Yes. Van, vegetable. Like this.
Ma'am, what will be L-I-V-E? L-I-V-E? What root? L-I-V-E. Leave. L-I-V-E. Which rule will it be?
Ma'am, see, the live goes with the tricky rule. The leave goes with the tricky word. It's there in the first 25 tricky words only. One of the 72 tricky words is leave also. Okay, got it? Yes. Live will go with it. Live will go with it. Okay. Next comes
Violent.
yeah, violet, color violet will go with that. Correct.
Madam,
Yes.
Violent.
yeah. Now we are saying sometimes G as G and sometimes like J.
There
G
is
and
a
G.
study rule, sir. I will teach you. I'll teach you. Okay. There is
Do we have a rule, madam?
yes, sir. There is. It's a very important rule actually, which are actually known as the hard sounds and soft sounds. I will teach you tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I have listed it out with activity. I will teach you. Okay. Yes. So there comes the sorry, v and v together. So here you can find in the story. Even though they know that I will be in the class, but still they will call. Look up. What is it? It's a valley, and the man Vic, let us name him Vic. It's a Vic's van, and it's a red van. So, what is he doing here? He just entered his village, okay, which is in a valley. And when he drives his Vic's van, it makes a sound like. How do the van makes a sound like? And how do we drive the van? Any other gesture? No, this is the action. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Okay, this is the one. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Is the sound. Clear with the sound? Clear with the sound? That's a woo. And here comes the wah, wah, wah. Practice it today. Okay, practice it at any cost today. Next, lastly, we have the same sound and the action for these two. Until now, the long vowel hand. Okay, same sound, different spellings we have found. Correct, same sound A with a A dash E which makes a A sound, AY which makes us A sound. Same sound, different spellings. Same spelling, different sounds. Okay, vice versa. Okay, same spelling. To see it is the same, but sounds are going to differ over here. Okay, so these are actually known as one as a short O, another one as a long oo. We have this one in our letters, right? A, E, U, oo. Don't drag that shorter one like a oo. Little bit you need to cut it off, chop it off. Ooh, that's it. Ooh, 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 ooh. These are the two sounds. One is a short ooh, another one is a long ooh. Short ooh, long ooh. How to teach this one for the kids? Okay, so for this we will make out a very big wall posters. Okay, come on, I'll just show you. Quickly draw it. Okay, roughly you just draw it. Neat drawings I will be expecting by tomorrow class. Okay, tomorrow's class. Clear? Okay, rough drawings you can either pick anyone. See, what does these drawings goes of? One example which goes with a short oo. Another one which goes with a long oo. Here, let me take few of the words which will go with that. Long oo. Oo like in moon. Correct? Moon. Can I read it with a short sound? Moon. Is it moon? No, it's a moon. Ooh sound, long sound. Moon. Spoon. Correct. School. Cool. Fool. Zoo. Zoo. Food. It's not food. Okay, we usually Indians make it food. No, it's food. Food. Wool. Wool.
Wood.
Wool. Okay, like this.
Loop.
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 Loop. So the short sounds actually goes with look. It's not look. Look at that. No, it's look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Correct? Look. Look. Hook.
Book.
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 Cook. Wood. Good. Stood. It's not stood, no, it's a stood. Next, took.
And took.
Yes, like this. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. So now I will pick cook as an example for the ooh sound, and book or like cook as an example for a short ooh sound, and moon or spoon or school as an example, whichever you wish to draw for the ooh sound. Okay, I will just show you here on the board. And how this wall posters, these are wall posters, at least make it, I made you to buy the white chart papers for this purpose. And the one more is for the tomorrow's long vowel activity. Okay, that how to teach for the kids. So these are the 2 white chart papers which will be in need of in future. See now, here I'm telling you, these are the wall posters. It cannot be tiny as this. At least prepare something which is of this size. Okay, which is of this size, which you can cleanly paste it out on the bowl. You can just get the things from the Google also. I'm just drawing out the... Yes? So here you can just mention out the sound, like in cook. So now they will look into him. Who is he? Cook. Is the cook image going with the oo sound? No. They know how to differentiate sound. K, oo, k, cook. Now whatever we write under this, they will only, the kids, you need to mention, you should not read out every word. You need to allow the child, come on my dear, this is a cook, which is going with a short oo. Wherever you find the double O, you need to apply the shorter oo sound only. Like in look, how will you read this? Wood. Because it's inside the cook sound, which is actually going with the O sound. This is how this will be used. How many you want? At least, like we usually list it out with 10 words. So because we will be making out a little bigger chart paper and writing the small. And you can also make out some crescent moon shape. Crescent moon shape with a oo sound. Z, oo, zoo, like in moon. Moon. Spoon. Stool. Pool. Cool. Fool. School. Like this list of words where they will apply the longer oo sound, like in the example, moon. Okay. So using the wall posters, the children will not depend on the teacher how to read that word. So instead, they will depend on that particular, whatever the objects that you are mentioning for that. Known one. Okay. So ma'am, I don't want to take this. So instead of, I will take a book. Yeah, you can take a book. You can take a book. You can make a book wall poster and you can just start writing wood. We'll find more number of things in the word booklet if you want. Okay, so I just want you people to prepare this and keep it ready, right? Okay. I'll share you the screenshot of this. Okay, so let us look into this.
Only one.
One
Only,
word.
only one example we can take, right?
Yeah, either moon or the book, cook or the book. One,
Long or short oo. Two examples is there.
one for oo, one for oo. Okay.
Ooh.
Oo and oo. Okay, both one each. Okay, both one each. Why I'm asking you the white chart paper? Because moon will go with white color, cook will go with white color. So it will match up that particular theme what you are picking up. Book will also go with white color. Okay, that is why I'm asking you people to pick that things. Here you can see. Okay, so what are these sounds? Ooh, sounds we already know. And here you can find the little girl. What shall we name her as? Ooh or ooh sound. Come on. Pooja.
Usha.
Pooja will go with that, right? Okay, yeah. So the little Pooja. So she is just waiting for the clock to turn 5 o'clock. Why? Because there comes the cuckoo which pops out and make a sound like ooh 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 ooh. The little Pooja also pretends like a cuckoo in the clock and makes the action like ooh, 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 ooh. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh. And you can find many objects around, right? You can see a hoop. You can draw the hoop also. Right, so inside the hoop, you can just write down the words which goes with that hook. Right, it's a hook, hoop, spoon. You can find a book, moon, wool. Right, so many things with a ooh, boots, boots. Right, boot, boots. Yes, you can also take a boots as an example. Okay, like this. So what's the action? Head back and front. These are the actions. Hence, you cannot take head back like this. If you are very good at yoga, I cannot say that. So this is the shorter one you remember. Shorter distance you can take back. Na? Oh, this is the action for shorter one. Oh, but you can bend so much in front. Ooh, longer distance, longer ooh, you remember like that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so these are the things. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh. Clear with the sounds and actions? Yes. So these are the fifth group of sounds. So tomorrow, by stepping into the sixth group of sounds, I will start with some separate module as well. Okay, so we are left out with 11 more sounds actually. We have already done, correct? Yes. So let's go with a quick revision of all the sounds.
Madam, is there any rule for this?
Which one, sir?
Ooh and ooh.
No, sir. These are two different sounds only. We don't have any of,
Generally,
like if it falls in between this and this, no such kind of a rule, sir, here. Okay, so the
we have
kids have to differentiate. That's why we have prepared them the wall posters. So this actually has to go with the oo pronunciation. This will go with the oo pronunciation. So now coming to the kids. When do they feel difficulty to write? Suppose, let me think, you just have taught me as a student the oo sounds and you dictate me spoon spelling. Okay, spoon spelling. How will you come to know that I imagined oo sound or oo sound while writing? Correct, because spelling remains same, whatever I imagined. Right, I might have thought it as a spoon, and I might have written it. Correct. So while writing, there won't be any difficulty. If you give some set of words for the kids and ask them to read, here comes the actual difficulty. Okay, for writing, it is one and the same letter, right? Whether they imagine that and write or this and write, spelling goes correct. Okay, when you ask them to read somewhere, that will be a difficult part. That is where they should know this goes with this and this goes with this. For that purpose only, we are making a wall posters. Look into it every day. Get familiar with the words which goes with the long oo and short oo. Okay, bringing up the familiarity by making out a list. Later on, list will increase. Initially take 10 and 10. Later on, you can increase 5 plus 5 here. Okay, so maximum 15 plus 15 words are more than enough for the kids of that age. To my knowledge, until first standard also, that's more than enough. Even if I give you the challenge to write 15 words, you cannot figure out 15 words, which we commonly used one. Correct. So those are more than enough. Okay. Yes. Tomorrow I will be checking out with every art and craft. There was enough time actually the last 2 days also. Probably I'm all set. So tomorrow I'll take morning class as well. Okay. Yes. So let's go with a quick revision of all these sounds. Open, turn towards the first page. Turn towards the first page, everyone. Yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go start. Onwards. Come on, you continue with your book. Come on. A, J, J,
A, J, 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 O, I,
O,
E,
Clear with the sounds? Clear with the sounds? Teachers who literally want to start the academy or anything, you must be perfect with all these sounds. Okay, must be perfect with all these sounds. Then only any blend or any segmentation will come properly and you can teach the kids. Proper sound, proper blending and proper segmenting. That's it. Shilpa ma'am?
Ma'am, can you show me the action of that would Z, Okay.
Flapping the
Yeah.
wings like a busy bee. Like this. Okay, either you can do this also, doesn't problem.
Yeah, ma'am. Got it. Thank you.
That's fine. Okay. Okay, these are the sounds. Revise and come back tomorrow. Let's go ahead with a few more sounds. Okay. Yeah. See you everyone. Bye-bye. Take care. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you.